News for world builders. Meta Quest 3 is going to have the same pancake lenses as Quest Pro, and this has been confirmed by Meta Quest support on Reddit. Sony is releasing a mobile full-body tracker. Mocopi is going to be $450. It will be compatible with Quest 2, Quest 3, Quest Pro, as well as PC VR systems. So apparently Apple was planning to do a FingerWorn controller for its Vision Pro headset at some point. They even had a patent for it several years ago. At the end, they decided to go against it. They decided that eye tracking and hand tracking is the way to go. Apple's Vision Pro will not be compatible with any of the VR controllers, and Apple is not planning to make any controllers. Once again, it's all about eye tracking and hand tracking for Apple. Meta is making progress with its body tracking. Meta is using the cameras built into the headset, and the early reports are showing, the demos are showing that they are making some really good advances, and we might actually be getting legs in Horizon soon. Apple is rumored to be able to only sell 150,000 of its Vision Pro headset in 2024. That number has been going down. Only a month ago, we were seeing reports about 1 million units, then it went down to 800,000, then we saw articles about 400,000, now we are down to 150,000. And why? Well, the manufacturing difficulties and supply chain difficulties are to blame. Google decided to cancel its Project Iris, which is the long-rumored augmented reality hardware project, which means that no AR glasses from Google anytime soon. However, they are still working on an augmented reality or XR operating system, in the same way that they focused on Android before jumping into actually selling phones. They are now thinking about focusing on building software operating system for XR before selling any Google labeled hardware. Make sure to follow if you want more VR builder news in your feed.